Hello everyone. Today we have with us Mr. Tarun Gupta, who secured All India 8th rank in GATE 2020 with the civil engineering stream. He is our Delhi classroom coaching student of summer crash course. So let us know few tips and suggestions to the future aspirants. Hi Tarun, tell me about yourself briefly.
Thank you so much, sir, for the warm welcome, and I'm very delighted to be sitting near you. I'm from IIT Guwahati, and I cleared GATE 2020 with All India rank 8 this time, and I was a student of summer batch for Ace Engineering Academy.
Okay. So after your BTech, you prepared seriously for this exam.
Yes, sir.
So what is your preparation strategy? You have completed summer crash course.
Yes.
So what was your style of preparation after going to your college or home?
Sir, I feel myself to be very lucky from my college because my seniors had already performed well in the examination. So I had all
Yeah,
the
Mr. Chauksi was on
yes,
your first rank with the crash
yes,
course.
Akash
in
Chauksi.
Delhi Center.
Yes.
Yeah.
So we used to go to his room and ask for
Ah,
motivational advices, and
hmm.
we didn't want to commit the same mistake that he might have committed and other seniors had
So
committed.
learning from mistakes.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
And after I went from ACE, I took course from ACE. Then I started preparing in my college only, and uh, I first of all I revised thoroughly, and then first one thing is to be very clear that the ACE material should be, you should be thorough with the ACE booklets also. First of all, cover all the theory. Then there are questions in booklets also, and after you are done with all those things, one should start the test series. But it is good to give as
See,
many.
apart from you are in the when you are in the college. Apart from college,
Hmm.
so daily how many hours you used to prepare for GATE exam?
Yes, sir. In college also, apart from classes like exams where there are some quizzes where there in every 2 weeks.
Ah,
So at least we had quite a good amount of time. After in regular days also, after 5 we were free only. So
whether this coaching was useful for your academics also? Academics during engineering college.
no, sir. Actually, I would not say it was very much useful because they teach through the research point of view also. Like the
Yeah.
professors there,
Yeah.
they teach well, but competitively we cannot say that it is very beneficial. But
Okay.
of course, it was beneficial.
Very good concepts you get.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes.
So you might have written the test series also along with your preparation.
Yes.
So how you have faced these various exams like full length mock tests, etc.
Yes, sir. First of all, the pattern, like in the test series, there is a question on every topic and every concept, I would say. So it is good to give the subject-wise tests first of all.
Mm.
So there you will, at least you will cover all the topics once,
Mm.
and each topic-wise tests are also there.
Mm.
So one should start from there, and then once the topic-wise are completed, then we can go for mixed subjects.
Mm.
And finally, once we are confident now that I have in every subject I have some content,
Then write that exam.
then write the full length mock test.
See, I think I know you are trying for IES or IRMS also.
Yes,
the
yes.
future coming.
Hmm.
What is the basic difference you have seen between the questions of GATE and IES prelims?
Yes, sir. In GATE, we can say that the questions are like there will be conceptual questions, and also we cannot just simply mug up
Mug up.
the things, and no, we cannot just hope that I will apply directly this formula and I will get the answer.
Substitution based not possible.
Yes. So what happens that in engineering service prelims, like there will be some questions from codal provisions also, and some
Yes.
formula based questions also.
Formula based also.
But in GATE, I would say
So GATE is basically conceptual and of course numerical also. I think.
numerical also.
So IES prelims is basically theoretical, sometimes formula based.
Yes.
Whether speed means the 3 hours time allocated for GATE exam to answer 65 questions. Is it sufficient
Yes.
or not sufficient?
Sir, it is sufficient only.
Sufficient.
So many seniors suggest me that you complete the paper in 2 hours and then
2 hours only.
go for
Seeing
revision and
revision, etc. Whether we have done any
yes,
mistake.
yes.
Have you tried for 1 mark questions or 2 mark questions in the beginning?
No, sir. I used to follow the question from beginning
From
itself,
order.
order wise.
How you have prepared for mathematics?
In maths also, as, in ACE engineering, it was taught very well. So in the class there were so many good questions. Also, everything was covered there only. So I genuinely feel that I went through the copy and then directly I started to give the test.
So with respect to aptitude means numerical aptitude is there, na? So how you have prepared for the aptitude?
Yes, sir, in aptitude I saw first of all I saw the previous year, what is the level actually.
What is the level?
Yes.
Yeah.
So then of course ACE booklets and through
Material.
tests also I could see the pattern, like if this is the type of question, there is a certain fixed type and it is doable. Like there is in aptitude also we can categorize the questions like this concept or this type.
Based on it. So time and distance, work study, probability,
Yes,
etc.
yes.
So, so if you see the previous question, you can understand the basic pattern.
Yes,
That's
yes,
what I
yes.
like to say.
Hmm.
So, what is your suggestion to your juniors? Let us say students pursuing final year education, final year engineering.
Hmm.
One side they have campus placements, one side they will have
Yes.
pressure for GATE or IES.
Yes, yes.
Other side, BTech passed out students. So, in your opinion, how the college going students have to prepare? How the passed out students have to prepare? Just your opinion.
Sir, for the current 4th year students, I
Yes.
would say that placement is like, if you have decided that I have to do GATE, then you should not get diverted through with the placements, which happened in my case. So once you have decided, then completely focus on GATE only. After the summer crash course, there in ACE you have 6 months for
Yeah.
GATE.
Easy.
So easily it can be, it is very much possible, and just follow the notes, the test series. So it is doable. It is, and very good ranks have been achieved and it can be achieved from
Yes.
anyone.
Simple example.
Yes.
Akash Chokse.
Yes, sir.
First ranker. Okay.
Yeah, and for the pass out students like me, I committed the mistake. I got diverted
To the place.
to the placements. I did not sit there also, and here also I kept thinking, what should I do?
Okay.
So one should decide already.
Yeah.
So, and after that, after I passed my college, then I continued my studies, and I did not get demoralized or something like that.
Yeah. Failures are the pillars of success.
Yes.
Nothing.
Next time you will come up with more energy and more knowledge, and you will able to crack it.
So how many times you have prepared for these GATE previous questions and solutions?
GATE previous year I did once only, I would say, because I got the like I understood the type of questions
Type
and the
of
pattern.
questions.
At least I got some idea. So my main focus was, as my senior Akash Bhaiya said, you should give as many tests as possible.
As many tests as possible.
So I covered the previous year, but I did it very religiously. I took
Seriously?
Yes, I took time, and I understood what concept is involved here, and like how much time it is taking, and what kind of questions are there, what all topics have already been asked. So, and after that, yes.
So a general question. So majority of the student community, what they do is, they go through the problem. First they read the problem. Immediately they go to the solution and they
Okay.
come back.
No, yes.
What is your advice to such students? Suppose there is a problem. So 5 lines or 6 lines, numerical question.
Yes, yes.
How they should approach to that problem, in your opinion?
Sir, it is very important to read the question first of all. One should entirely read the question. There you will commit, most of the mistakes will be committed by not properly reading the question.
Properly read. You have
Like-
to read the question properly.
It happens that the unit is suppose asked is in millimeter and you report it in meter. So
yeah.
it's gone.
Particularly numerical question, numerical answer questions.
Yes.
Yeah.
No, even yes, and even it's mentioned there, like unit is mentioned.
Understanding the units.
Hmm.
Yeah.
Report this answer in bracket, there is written mm or the something like that. So first of all, read the question.
Read the question.
Then if you have done this question previously, you will strike it that okay, this concept I have covered it previously also. So just follow the steps. The booklet is given there. Follow the sequence, and if it is a longer question, I would say start with the fresh page
Fresh page.
and mark the number so that later on you can check directly the calculations.
Suppose you are unable to understand a problem. Suppose in the exam hall,
Okay.
what you have done?
I would skip it in the first round.
In the first round, no
Yes.
ego.
No.
Challenge karna. No challenge.
Don't do that.
Don't do that.
First of all, go through the paper once, and how much you know, try to do that with full accuracy and full attention. Then after that, because what will happen if in the middle you start thinking about that problem, so you don't know how much time it would take. So suppose if it takes 3 minutes, 5 minutes, 7 minutes, so you will lose confidence in the upcoming problems
Yeah.
which you already knew.
So first you should attempt where you are 100% accurate.
Yes.
Then only you have to go to the unknown problems or other questions.
And sir, you can do the problems like with the problems which you know will be done in so less time, like in 2 hours or so you can do how much you know. Then after that, revise
Go back.
all the important, you can mark for review the questions which are doubtful, that
Which are
okay,
doubtful.
yes.
Mark.
Then go at the last, go for the new questions that didn't strike you in the first go. So
There is one few myths. I should not say myths, maybe facts. I don't know. GATE is tough. What's your opinion?
no sir, actually I don't say it is tough. We should understand the exam, what kind of exam it is, what it is trying to ask. So GATE basically relies on two things as much as I have felt it: concept and aptitude. So it's not tough, like follow the process which is required. In the ACE engineering also teachers say this, that this much is required in GATE, and this is the thought process, this is the way to solve it. So just follow that and results will come out automatically. You don't have to bother about the what would happen after GATE or what is happening before GATE. Just you do your work, that's it, I would
Yeah,
say.
there's one more myth or fact. I don't know. Competition is too high.
Yes sir, that is the problem. We think about all those, like in India, if in anything we do, there will be high numbers. So we should not worry about how many people are giving it or
So
what is
even
the
if
competition.
one vacancy is there,
Yes.
it's for me.
It's for me.
You should have such a
Yes.
feeling.
Yes.
And another common doubt is syllabus is vast.
Okay.
मुझे say nahi hota, I can't do.
No sir, like
Syllabus is high. So what's your
if it is high for
Everybody.
It is
It's a relative.
it is a relative thing. So I don't think you should bother about such myths or something.
Okay.
So yes,
So it's relative.
it's all relative. So
It's all relative.
yes.
So anyway, Mr. Tarun,
Okay.
really fantastic. Huh? So I wish that you will reach your final destiny of joining railways.
Yes.
I think
Yes.
through IRMS, which is going upcoming. Okay?
Thank you so
I
much.
Pray the God, see that your desire is fulfilled. Okay. One more thing is convey my pranams to your parents.
Thank
okay?
you so much.
Right. God bless you.
Thank you so much. It was a wonderful talking to you, sir. Thank you so much.